Plumbing issues are already happening ahead of that winter weather. In fact, this video is showing a broken pipe just spewing water into a parking lot in Hickory Hill. And as those repairs continue, we have some tips on how to protect the pipes inside your home during this winter storm. WREG's Raven Copeland joins us now live from downtown Memphis. And I know, Raven, you spoke with a plumbing expert. What are they having to say tonight?
Yeah, Greg, when we spoke to plumbing experts with Mr. Greenway, they said they received about 60 calls today for burst pipes, which the manager says is expected as the ground temperature continues to drop. He tells WREG about the steps you can take now to prevent your pipes from bursting or freezing. Before the ice, snow, and brutally cold temperatures hit the Mid-South, plumbing experts say you should protect the water sources inside and outside of your home. Junior Sharp, a manager with Mr. Greenway, recommends dripping your water faucets, but he says it's important that you do it a certain way.
I'm going to leave it where you see it's a steady pour. I'm going to leave it somewhere in that area versus just a drop. You don't want that small stream. You want something that's actually streaming.
Sharp says dripping your water faucets and keeping your sink cabinets open helps reduce the possibility of frozen pipes. Additionally, he tells your newsleader that you shouldn't cover the pipes inside your home, but you should use faucet covers and garbage bags to protect outdoor faucets. Once the freezing temps and winter weather arrive, Sharp advises homeowners and tenants to continuously keep the water flowing inside.
If you haven't been home all day, as soon as you get home, flush your toilets, run your showers and stuff to make sure that everything's going as it's supposed to.
If your pipes do burst, Sharp advises you immediately locate the Water City tap outside of your home.
Turn that knob, shut the water off, and call a plumbing company ASAP.
Now, plumbing experts with Mr. Greenway say water heaters can burst during the winter weather too. If that happens, locate the valve above your water heater and shut it off. These are important reminders to remember before these major weather changes begin. Reporting live from downtown Memphis for your news leader, Raven Copeland, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, not just a drop, but a slight stream. Thank you, Raven.